What's up, guys? So a few videos ago I made that pulley system over there, and I got a series of handles and tricep ropes, so I'm gonna do an unboxing right now.
Take me away from home.
Let's get this box open. Do you do Instagram? Alright, here's the handles first. Some pretty high density rubber, a little sturdier than what you'd see at the average gym. Looking forward to trying these out. Came with some carabiners, a 3-pack. There's 2 little ones and a bigger one. And a rope. Let's see how long this rope is. So this rope's pretty long. It says it's 35 inches, so a little longer than a typical tricep extension rope. I wanted to get a longer rope so I could use it for face pulls. I want to keep this video short. I'm going to touch on this in a few weeks, so that way I'll be able to use it a bit and let you know how it holds up over time. Just a quick product unboxing, and I'll show you a workout video.
Show me all the places I've never known, and we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly. Oh, we'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll fly.
So I did a few sets with this rope. I thought it was a good length. It's about the length of those ropes that you would typically do face pulls with at the gym. It's longer than an average tricep extension rope, something to keep in mind. All right, here I'll just play some video of some weighted chin-ups. I'm keeping it light. I haven't done weighted chin-ups in quite a while, so just doing it with 30 pounds here. I'm doing some straddle front lever attempts. This is just an example of a sample body weight workout that I might do while at home. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good day.